Bitcoin is awaiting a big breakout today. Yesterday, we had a look in towards this bull flag breakout, and yes indeed, we broke out towards the upside, and if you did take this trade, you are still in a profit. But because we were having resistance from of this previous level right here, we have been forming this ascending triangle at the moment, pushing the Bitcoin price towards the upside. Every single low is higher and higher and squeezing us inside of this pattern. Now today at the latest we are going to be expecting this breakout happening because we are going to be touching our apex. So we need to be talking about this and more in this update video because we do got some very interesting things to discuss and to talk about, because Bitwise has also updated their ETF application filing. This is very bullish because the SEC is right now clearly working together with the issuers right now. So without any further ado, let's have a look in towards the imminent short term as always. And basically, right now is the time to be watching the Bitcoin charts because we are going to be expecting a massive breakout happening today. And basically, it's going to be very easy because whenever we are going to be breaking out towards the upside, well, we have a price target all the way up towards the 36.8k level. It is going to be at about the 36.8k level, but we do know that resistance is going to be coming up a little bit earlier at about the 36.5k, so I would already take my profits at about 36.5k. Now if we were for some reason to be breaking this one out towards the downside, well, we could easily reach targets all the way down towards the 32.7k level, but in that case of a breakdown, I'm going to be having a look in towards this 31k level coming in as support, and if we can be retesting this level, I would literally go all in towards a long position, because I'm going to be talking about this in a minute, but literally the trend is so bullish right now. We are getting so many signals that we are going to be seeing higher prices getting reached, and literally if we can be retracing this back in towards a previous resistance right now turning in towards support, that would literally be a gift, and then I would take that gift and go all in towards that point. Now I do think it is going to be way more likely that we are going to be breaking this one out towards the upside, because once again the trend is towards the upside and we have not reached our resistance point just yet. So have a look in towards this pattern. I'm definitely going to be interested in trading this breakout pattern, and if you do want to be staying up to date about every single market development, be sure to be following me on Twitter, and if you're as well interested in trading this breakout, be sure to use my link in my Twitter feed that I'm posting every single day to claim a $30,000 free deposit bonus. And that same exact link is also down below in this description of this YouTube video. So with that being said, clearly the Bitcoin trend is towards the upside. We are getting some insane breakouts towards the upside, just like we have been talking about for the past couple of weeks. We have been exactly talking about all of these breakouts, and we have been awaiting all of these breakouts as well. I have been telling you guys to prepare for these massive breakouts that we are getting just right now for the past couple of weeks, and right now we are finally getting them. So what you must understand is that the trend is right now clearly towards the upside, and this is only just the beginning. Literally, if you have looking towards this chart right here, this here was only the beginning of a massive move towards the upside. Now, this does not necessarily have to mean that we are only going to be pumping towards the upside, because just like you could be seeing over here, well, we did have that little bit of a small retracement back towards the downside. And that is why I'm currently still saying that, yes, we can be pulling back all the way down towards the 31k level, but if we are going to be pulling back towards that 31k level, I'm going to go literally all in. But the overall trend is right now towards the upside. So I would rather open long positions than actually short this kind of a move. Shorting this move, in my opinion, is just stupid at this moment because the trend is so much towards the upside and we are having such a bullish setup. We are getting bullish news all the time. We are awaiting in ETF acceptance. which can literally happen anytime soon. Almost every single day we are getting bullish ETF news where the price is pushed even higher at this current news event. So even if we were to be breaking this triangle towards the downside, I'm not looking to be shorting it, just simply because I'm only looking in towards long positions. That is currently at least my game plan, and let's await what we are going to be doing right here in the short term, if we can be getting this breakout towards the upside of this ascending triangle. And as I've already shared with you guys, I will be updating you guys about that exactly on my Twitter profile. Now, with that being said, of course, we have been, scaling in towards Bitcoin, because we have been saying during bear market recoveries, Bitcoin is a superior asset. And right now, indeed, Bitcoin dominance is increasing like crazy. We have been talking about this and how you do not want to be basically being invested in altcoins during this bear market recovery. You only really want to be invested in Bitcoin. And yes, indeed, that has once again been the right move. Altcoins are bleeding against the Bitcoin bear. And whenever we are going to be reaching this about 57% mark, I'm going to be starting to once again scale in towards some altcoins. Now, in my opinion, right now it's not yet the time, but I will be announcing whenever I will finally be scaling in towards all of these altcoins. So once again, a right call indeed from Mr. Crypto. So with that being said, be sure to be following me on Twitter, and I'll see you guys in another update video tomorrow morning.